Hi 11th grade, thanks for checking out this video. This video is to introduce you to one other log idea. It's called change of base. So we're going to talk about what is it, why is it useful, why does it work if you're interested, and how can we use it. So first thing, here is the change of base formula. Here. Notice how the A and the B are represented as a fraction. Here is another way to look at it, and it does not always have to be using logs. It could also use natural logs. Why is it useful? Well, what if you don't have this log-based function in your calculator? When you go to math and you scroll up or scroll down past number 10, if you don't see this log base in there, then you've got to use change of base. Otherwise, your values will not be as precise as those using this log base trick. So why is it used? Why does it work? Well, here's an explanation, just an algebraic proof showing the sequence of how you go from log base 3 of 70 equals some exponent to that same expression of log base 3 of 70 is the same as log of some base of 3 divided by log of some base of 70. But notice that those bases are the same. So we have changed the base of both this log base 3 and the 70. And we're using a common base, and these are the evaluated values. So let's look at how to use it. In one of the quiz review questions, we were asked to determine when will this car be worth $8,000. Initially, it cost $32,000 when the person purchased it, when it was brand new. But at some point, it's going to be reaching the value of $8,000 because it's depreciating by 15% every year. So let's look at this. So first of all, when is this function starting with 32,000 with a constant multiplier of 0.85? That's where I'm saying 15% depreciation, 15% decay. When will that equal 8,000? After how many years? Well, when we go through the process of rewriting it as a log, first thing we're going to do is divide by 32,000. Then we have 0.25 is the same as 0.85 to some power. So how many times do we multiply 0.85 by itself to get 0.25? So let's write it as logs. Log base 85. Notice base 85, 0.85, excuse me, 0.85 of 0.25. And when we go to our calculators, this is what we're going to type in. So let me show you what that looks like on the graphing calculator. So when you're in the graphing calculator, the key that you use is log. It's the main log key on the main set of keys of the calculator. This just means that we're using base 10 for 0.25 and base 10 for 0.85. And when you divide the two, we get about 8.53. So after about 8.5 years of owning the car, it went from 32,000 all the way down to 8,000. So again, to recap, use this log key, take the evaluated part, divided by your base, and you will get your value. And for us, it was 8.53. Thanks for watching the video.